How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing its quality. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily set your WhatsApp profile picture without losing any of its quality. So first thing first, simply head over to your WhatsApp application. Once you are inside WhatsApp application, as you can see, I have sent myself the two different photos. That is, this is known as SD version and this second image is full SD version. You can also send the full HD image from your gallery by clicking on this link as I have shown on other videos. And once you do that, what I want you to do is simply click on your settings option over here, and when you come over here, you simply click on your profile section over here. And as I already told you, this is the known SD version, and simply click on your profile picture like this and simply replace that with the gallery option over here, and simply click on your image from here. There is second option, and that is simply click on done, and you can see the SD version of the image has been successfully installed. So to confirm if it's is SD or not, you can simply check it from here, like from gallery. You can simply click on SD version and you can simply send this image as an SD. So that's exactly how you declare image an SD. So hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.